People applying for welfare will now have to pass a drug screening to qualify, and some already receiving welfare will have to pass it to continue getting benefits.
As state lawmakers overrode Governor Pat McCrory's veto of the bill that requires those eligible for public assistance to be tested.
News 13's Frank Crocker joins us live in Asheville. And Frank, this type of move is not at all common.
It is not. Only 8 other states have added drug testing to their rules for people on welfare. And here, there's mixed reaction.
House Bill 392.
Burned in your brain, huh?
It is now.
Steve Garrison is Director of Economic Services for Buncombe County Health and Human Services. He and colleagues across the state are poring over this document today, trying to figure out their future. It's touted by some as a way to keep drug abusers from getting taxpayer help, seen by others as unfair treatment of impoverished families.
We don't want to create disparity or relating to how we make a determination about who will be the person that we'll send to have screening for drug testing.
The bill requires social workers at county offices to identify suspected drug abusers and then send them off to be tested at their own expense.
It's so hard to say what reasonable suspicion is, you know. People are going to get profiled, and there's something that's definitely not just about that.
If they pass, they get their money back. If they fail, they are denied or lose benefits until they can prove they've completed or are attending a drug treatment program.
If you pass the drug test, you're going to be reimbursed. So if you're not doing anything, you have nothing to worry about.
The new law does not apply to food stamp assistance, only to people in Work First services. That's about 600 clients in Buncombe County, and 71% of those are child-only cases, kids placed with grandparents or caretakers. It is not clear yet if the new rules will mean higher administrative costs, but officials say the goal remains the same.
We want to make sure that anyone that comes in that door, that we can still serve them in the most fair, efficient manner that we can, and so that's going to be our biggest concern.
Well, officials do have another provision in all this, and that's the bill criminal background checks for Work First and also food stamp programs. That goes into effect the 1st of next month. Officials do have until August 2014 to deal with all this issue of drug testing, so they've got some time to work it out, find out what their policies are going to be and how they're going to set it up. Reporting live in Asheville, Frank Crocker, News 13.